all this weather, tires can't kick out all the water, and then that's when hydroplaning occurs. And this is where your trip, a 2-hour trip, would take 4 hours. This is why you need to plan ahead and make sure your car is in good condition. You don't turn the wheel really much. You just go in slow. You look ahead at the tracks. And it looks okay. You can barely see because the windows are fogged up. The heater is on. The defroster is on. In the no zones again of this truck. I don't like being here. I don't want to be here. So I'm going to try to get out of this blind spot as soon as possible. They might not be able to see me because they're up high, they're blind spots. So I'm just going to keep. Well, there's that truck again. You can hear the whistle of the turbo. That was an Expello. That expels some of the air in the line because I used to work on trucks. Sorry I'm talking so loud, but I want you to hear this so you know what I'm going through and what it's like. So you understand. So what do? I'm just staying here right now. I'm at 60, I'm okay. Traffic's moving pretty good. Do I want to be here? No, but there's nothing I can do right now. I keep looking at that truck. That's no joke. The driver said we teach you. So